Welcome, dear viewers. We are Aromansse, delighted to guide you on an enchanting exploration of mystic energies and natural healing. Today, we bring to you our presentation titled Crystal Healing: A Journey Through Time. Be prepared to be captivated by the age-old charm of sparkling gems. Their deep-seated influence on human well-being has been a subject of wonder for ages. We now invite you to dive deep into the mesmerizing of crystal healing. Join us as we embark on this journey through time. Ever pondered on natural and non-invasive ways to enhance your life? Enter the world of crystal healing. This ancient practice, steeped in history, has been a cornerstone in the quest for physical and emotional wellness since the dawn of human civilization. Today, it's making a comeback, with a modern twist. These glistening gems are not just beautiful to behold, but are also believed to shield us from harmful electromagnetic waves and bolster our mental well-being. Let's journey back in time to ancient Greece, where the genesis of crystal healing can be traced. The great philosopher Plato, in his dialogue of Critias penned around 360 BCE, made mention of it. From being a fringe culture practice, crystal healing gained mainstream acceptance in the 70s and is now enjoying a resurgence along with the wellness movement. The therapy employs semi-precious stones to dispel negative energy. Each stone, selected with care, corresponds to a specific chakra, spiritual points within the body. The idea is to align these points, creating a harmonious flow of energy, resulting in improved physical and emotional health. Healing crystals, in their myriad forms, can be utilized in numerous ways. However, a key aspect to remember is their proximity to your body. The closer they are, the more potent their energy influence can be on you. In essence, crystal healing is an age-old practice that has evolved over centuries. Its core belief in the power of semi-precious stones to ward off negativity and promote wellness remains unchanged. Today, it has found a place in our modern world, offering a non-invasive, natural approach to improve life. Whether it's protection from harmful electromagnetic waves or support for mental health issues, crystals are making a sparkling comeback, promising not just beauty, but well-being too. Let's delve deeper into the specific uses of some popular crystals we carry. Clear quartz, known as the master healer, amplifies energy and thought. Citrine, a sunny stone, promotes motivation, activates creativity, and encourages self-expression. Calcite, a powerful amplifier and cleanser of energy, is known for its revitalizing properties. Amethyst, a beautiful purple crystal, has healing powers that help with physical ailments, emotional issues, and in energy healing and chakra balancing. Lapis lazuli, with its deep celestial blue color, encourages self-awareness, allows self-expression, and reveals inner truth. These are some of the crystals that you can buy at Aromansse. Each crystal carries its unique properties and uses, reminding us that the world of crystals is as diverse as it is beautiful.